right now it's around 1 a.m. in the morning and we are going to the airport to go to Barcelona and I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm quite tired, but I'm very excited. It's already 5:30 or something like that and we are in Barcelona. We checked in our Airbnb like I don't know, like 30 minutes ago or something like that. And yeah, I think we arrived around 10 a.m. in the morning to Barcelona. And yeah, the journey was without complications, so it was great. It was very fast. And then we've just been walking around the city. Yeah, like around La Rambla and La Plaza de Catalunya. Then we had lunch in a place called Honest Greens and it was very good. It was really good. I got some like plate with herb tofu and with like quinoa, black rice, kale, spinach, and yeah, it was just like really nice. And just the place was very cool. We went to El Mercado de la Boqueria. Yeah, I think it's called something like that. And yeah, it's just like very big market, food market, so that's also very nice. And then we just been walking around and yeah, but we are like quite tired because we just like left home like around I think 2 a.m. or something like that. So now we are just like chilling. I showered, that was very nice. And then I don't know, maybe we'll just like go outside and walk a little bit more, or maybe just like go to supermarket and grab dinner there. We'll see. I think yeah, we'll just like be relaxing for the rest of today. And yeah, sorry, I think the lighting is very bad, but yeah, so that's that. Wednesday. Yeah, it's Wednesday, 5 p.m. or something like that, and I'm here with Clara right now, sitting near the here's Sagrada Familia, and we are going to visit it from the inside as well. We are now waiting for our parents, and today's been such a lovely day so far. We woke up and we had breakfast at our balcony. And we had like cinnamon rolls. I had a gluten-free one from bakery called Jansana or Jansana, I don't know how it's pronounced, but it was very good. And then we went like near the Barceloneta beach, and we were just like strolling around the streets. we went to a spot called Mutes, I think, and we got a smoothie. It looked really, really good and it was very nice. And then we were just like walking around the city. So we went for lunch to South House and La Gloria, and we both got salmon bowl. It was really good, and I was invited there, so thank you so much. It was really, really nice. And then we were just like strolling around the streets again. We also went to a bookstore, English bookstore, that was very nice. And then we went for like to sit to a cafe called La Papa. It's a like breakfast spot and with drinks, and it's so beautiful. It's just stunning inside. And I got just like lemonade. It was one of the best lemonades I've ever had. It was very refreshing. Clara got espresso tonic. That was also very good. And I was reading there and we were just like relaxing. And now we just like we're walking around and now we are just sitting here relaxing a little bit. And soon I think like our parents will meet us and we'll go inside the Sagrada Familia. So yeah, and then we'll see. I think we'll get some tapas, or like we'll get some tapas for dinner, and we'll see. I think that was very hectic, but there's just so much, like so many people. Good morning. So we are now sitting in front of a place called Chuck. It's a all gluten-free bakery and it's amazing. Everything looks stunning. And we got gluten-free like Nutella cinnamon roll and Kinder Bueno cookie, and it was so good. It was so rich and decadent and really good. So maybe we'll get something more. We'll see. But it's just so beautiful and we are sad that we are not here for a longer time to try all of that, but yeah, we just love it so much, so we're just sitting here. Good morning. It's Friday today. It's around 7 a.m. I think, and we are just sitting at our balcony right now. We'll do some journaling and then probably have a little snack or something like that, and then we are going to our first bar class, which I'm very excited about. I have like saved this place for a very long time, so I'm very excited to go. And then we'll probably go to La Papa again to have breakfast or brunch or something like that, and then I don't know, soon we'll just like leave to Lloret de Mar. So yeah, I'm very excited. Also yesterday was also such a great day. I feel like I haven't talked at all. But yeah, like I talked when we were at the place called Grot for breakfast. That was amazing. It was so good. And then we went by metro to Gracia, which is a northern part of Barcelona, and it's like really nice. I think like a lot of, it's not that touristy at all, and it's like such a nice, it's like more calm, and I really loved the like place and the vibe of this place. And we went there to some, like, for example, even like second-hand English bookstore, and to some like vintage shops. We got matcha and coffee and this very cute cafe, and the man who owned it, or no, I don't know if he owned it, but who just like worked there, was really nice, and so that was really nice. And then we got lunch. I again found this like gluten-free bakery with empanadas and focaccias. I think it was called Gluten-free or something like that, so that was also really good. And yeah, then I split up with my family, or then our parents split up. My sister and I, we bought this necklace. Like, is it? No, not this one. This one. Like with V and K. And then I split up, and I was just like walking around the streets, and also like sitting down and relaxing a little bit. And then I went to this amazing event. It's like hosted by an amazing girl called named Monica. Her name is Monica, and she's amazing. She's so sweet, and like this, what she's doing, it's called Wonder Collective, and it's like supposed to bring like-minded girls together and like make new friends, and just amazing what she's doing. And so many girls came, and I met so many amazing girls, and we went to La Papa again. We were there like yesterday and the day before. It's such a beautiful cafe, so I got iced matcha with almond milk, and it was very good. And just like we talked with all the girls, and it was just amazing to meet so many girls from different countries, and who, for example, moved to Barcelona and have been living here for a while, and it was just amazing. So I'm so happy that I could come. And then I just again with my family, we just got dinner like here at our apartment, and just like packed and all that stuff, and went to bed. So yeah, so that's yesterday. It was really nice day, and yeah.